Hello everybody, I hope you're doing really well. So I'm back with another video, and this is one I've wanted to film for quite a while. It's a what I eat in a day video. I watch so many of these videos. Well, two people actually who do them really well is Anna Newton from the Anna Edit and Lily Pebbles. They just, I feel like they articulate what they eat in such a beautiful way. I just eat, I eat a lot of food. So yeah, I thought I'd give one of these videos a go. The time is currently 5 to 9 and I start university at 10 AM. So this is like a general normal day for me. I wake up at 5 AM usually, but I woke up at 6 this morning and we went to the gym. Came back and I had a protein shake. So in the protein shake I use Holland & Barrett's whey protein. It's really good. It's currently on sale at the moment for $14.99, so definitely check that out. I had the salted caramel flavour and it's absolutely delicious. And I just put that in my blend active with some almond milk. I buy my almond milk from Aldi. I try to have non-dairy milk in my protein shakes, just obviously to keep the calories down. So yeah, that whole carton of almond milk is only 99p. So yeah, I put about, I'd say 300 mils of almond milk in the blender with 2 scoops of whey protein and some frozen bananas as well. I'd literally just chop those up, pop them in a little freezer bag and pop them in the freezer if they're looking a bit past the best. So that was my protein shake. So for breakfast, I usually try to go for something really filling, either some granola, some porridge, something that's going to be really hearty. And this morning I made some almond milk porridge with some sultanas and I topped it with some nectarines and some seeds and stuff. So I use giant jumbo oats purely just because I feel like they bulk the meal out more. So I use 2 cups of rolled oats and I put that in a large pan, and then I use 1 cup of almond milk and 1 cup of water. I feel like that's the right balance between the two, otherwise I think it can be quite stodgy. And then I literally just stir that over a medium heat, add some sultanas so they can get nice and soft in the porridge, and then I literally just stir that away, pop that in a bowl with some fresh plums. Plums are coming in season at the moment, so they're absolutely delicious. And then I just put some chia seeds on top of there, some milled linseed, so really good for your digestive system, and then top it with some honey, and that's my breakfast. Oh, and I also have a big glass of water because I'm always dehydrated after the gym. And I will have a coffee too. I have lots of coffees throughout the day, but and then for lunch, we tend to meal prep either the night before or on the morning of. We try to not buy lunch at uni purely just because it's so expensive. So I have made some salads this morning, just really super simple salads. We've literally just put some lettuce in there and like mixed leaves. We buy all of this from Aldi, it's so cheap. Definitely recommend Aldi for some groceries. So yeah, we've got some mixed leaves in there, and then I've just chopped some cucumber and some peppers up and put that in with some slaw. And we've got a little bit of deli meats. Obviously you could make this completely vegetarian if you wanted to, but the deli meats are delicious in Aldi, so we put some deli meats in there. And then a little bit of olive oil and balsamic just as a dressing. We keep that in a separate container just so it doesn't like wilt and go weird. But that's literally all we take for lunch. So hopefully it should keep us full, because this video actually is in partnership with Gousto. I don't know if you guys have heard of Gousto. Yeah, so Gousto basically is a restaurant. They send you meal boxes and you can create meals for on a budget as well. Obviously we're students, so we really try to keep things as low as possible. Yeah, they very kindly sent us a giant box. So yeah, I'm not going to be showing you this till this evening when we cook. We've got 2 recipes in here. I'm going to show you what we've got. We're also going to do a food shop today, so we're literally going to be cracking on, doing a food shop, cooking this lovely box up. But yeah, I'm going to eat my breakfast, have a coffee, and run to university because I'm probably going to be... We had our salads, didn't we? How was the salad out of 10?
Would it be better with sweet corn?
There was some sweet corn in the fridge, I just forgot to put it in. Anyway, then it resulted in a Greg's. We've both got Greg's donuts. I'm not even regretting it.
Take the part. We need straws to put in them. And that.
It's the custard. It's very much a real... Oh wow. Very much a real what I eat in a day. I do love a Greg's. So we're back from university. We did our solid 6 hours. It was very long, but we're making good progress, which is good. So we are about to go and do a grocery shop, and I thought I might as well include this in the vlog as I kind of like what we eat. I know I've done a little bit of grocery shopping in vlogs previously, and you guys seem to like to see what I buy on a week-to-week basis. Me and Zara share a food shop, so we try to obviously share our food to keep costs down. Yeah, we're gonna go to Aldi, but we're currently waiting for washing machine doctor to come and sort our washing machine out because it's currently broken. He's coming at 5 o'clock, which is in like 10 minutes. So hopefully it's gonna be a quick fix and then we can go to Aldi, so I'll take you guys along for that. And then we're doing a dinner tonight. So I'm gonna show you the recipe we're gonna cook. Obviously we're gonna cook that after we come back from food shopping, but I thought I'd show you now so you can get an idea. So this is the Gousto box, and they kind of say unbox possibility, and I think that's a great way of kind of describing what Gousto is. It's kind of just lots of recipe possibilities. So obviously we've put all the meat in the fridge because we didn't want to leave that out. But these are the 2 recipes that we've got. So all of the ingredients are pre-packaged. Everything that needs to go in the fridge we've popped in. But there's some onions in there. Obviously all of the packaging's recyclable. We've got some chestnut mushrooms going on. Just lots of little bits. Some herbs. Some fresh pasta. So the 2 recipes that we chose, one is a chestnut mushroom bolognese, and the other recipe is a simple sticky sausage, apple, and root veg bake. So this is a recipe we're going to cook tonight. It's kind of a nice, really autumn winter dish. So this is all the ingredients. So it's got everything listed out on the side. So I think the things up the top, it says double on ingredients for 4, but there's ingredients obviously enough for 2 people. And then I really like about the Gousto recipes as well is that they have all of the photos of steps on the back, so you can literally see step by step of what everything's supposed to look like. I just love the idea that it has apples in. I think that's great. But obviously in this box, this is enough for 2 people. They give you some information as well about them, but there's enough for 2 people for 2 meals, so this is 2 nights worth of food. Gousto has some great deals online as well, so if you guys want to check them out, I'm going to leave all their information down below. I think you can sign up and get a discount on your first 2 boxes. That's the bell for the washer. We have a working washing machine. Woohoo! I guess you could include this in what I eat in a day. Oh my god, I just realised what you're playing. Waitrose sour pastels. These featured in my last vlog. I'm gonna have a couple of these. Gotta include everything. Already have some flowers in the basket, and these are only $2.59. We've got a little list going on. Greener the better, mate.
Oh, do you actually like green?
Put them in. What kind of fruits should we get? Yeah. Can we get some blackberries? Because I'm going to make a tart with those tomorrow. Zara's way of testing a good cucumber is apparently to wave it up and down. Apparently that's a dodgy one. So she's opted for this one. These are what we live for. We've just recently tried them. Oh, what? Oh. We've had the sour cream and onion ones and these are delicious. They're called lentil curls. We've had the pea snack ones and they're really good. Should we try these, Zara? These look really good. And they're only 72p for a pack of those. And they've only got 91 calories per bag. I'm gonna get some of these nice bougie yogurts. They look delicious. I think I'm gonna go for a banoffee one because this is like my favourite childhood flavour. That's my treat. Strawberry, is it?
Have you seen this one?
Sangia strawberry. Oh, champagne rhubarb. Let's get one of those. Very hardest to bypass the sweet aisle. Oh, they're really tasty. They're addictive though. You have one. They're one of those treats. You have one of them and you end up having about 12. Aldi's got all of the Christmas stuff in. Oh my gosh, little mini Christmas puddings. They look good. Who else loves this but just for the frosting? Must resist. Must resist. Maybe not. Yeah, well. We've got some snowballs, but Sarah says she doesn't like coconuts. This is either going to be a disaster or a success. It was healthy and now it's not. So like these Lacura products, right, are only 55 pence for that. And literally they're like £1 in Poundland, or even Superdrug, they're all expensive as well. Like not a knockoff version, but like a version of the original sauce ones. Aldi's frozen section of desserts is actually spot on.
It's their specially selected range.
It's sick. And all of their frozen fruits as well are like so reasonably priced, like £1.50. These are great for like smoothies on a morning. I used to buy these loads. This is the almond milk I had in this morning's breakfast, and it's now 89 pence as well, so it's been reduced. Shop well and truly completed. So exciting. We even got some flowers. £2.59. Almost as pretty as me. Sorry about the really weird lighting. Our flat tends to be quite orange. We have quite orangey lighting. But yeah, so we're back from Aldi, just a little grocery shop. But obviously we didn't do a really big one because we've got the Gousto boxes. So like I showed you guys earlier, I'm going to be cooking the simple sticky sausage, apple and root veg bake, which is this one here. It looks absolutely delicious. It's 55 minutes to cook and prepare. Got all our ingredients here, so let's go. So the first step apparently is to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Done. And then it says boil a kettle, top and tail the carrots with the skin on into small bite-sized pizzas, chop the potatoes with the skin on, small bite-sized pizzas, top and tail the parsnip, skin on into small bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to do that. And Zara's just poured the obligatory glass of wine. It's been a tough old Tuesday. Cool, I'm up to step 4. We've got the chopped potatoes, parsnip, a little bit of apple, some carrots. I've added some red onion. The recipe didn't say so, but I love red onion. Garlic, and then here we've just got some chicken, no, vegetable stock, sorry, and oh no, there's chicken stock. Chicken stock in here, 300ml chicken stock with a little bit of red onion marmalade. Sounds delicious. So you pour that in there, add the sausages, which is here. Just pop those on top, a little bit of salt and pepper, olive oil, and then in the oven it goes. Just want to apparently add a little bit of pepper, olive, some salt, good glug of olive oil over the top just to make sure everything cooks along nicely. Add your stock and red onion marmalade, chuck it into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, and then literally it's done. Little bit of side salad going on with some baby kale, which looks good, so we'll have that. But yeah, let's get that in the oven. See you in 45 minutes. So we're now on the final steps. So we've just got to put the balsamic vinegar and olive oil into this, which is just a bowl of baby kale. And then you add a little bit of salt and give it a good mix up, and then you just squeeze the garlic out of the skins, then put the sausage root veg onto the side and sprinkle with pumpkin seeds, and you're done. Let's have a look and see what we're dealing with in here. It honestly looks incredible. Look at that. Squeeze the garlic out, so let's get this. Then you just sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on top for a little bit of extra crunch. Yeah, so for the kale, just a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of olive oil. Do a little sachet of some balsamic vinegar to put on top. And this is the finished result. I'm gonna dig in. You know our thoughts. It smells so good. Mate. So dinner was an absolute success. Thank you very much, Gousto, for sending us a box. Honestly, that was delicious. Laura said it was very nice. It went down really well. It fed us both. And so I had the leftover potatoes because they're really good. But honestly, highly recommend giving Gousto a try. If you guys want to get a box, I'm going to leave all the information down below. Hope you found it interesting seeing what I eat in a day. A lot of people do ask me. I do eat a lot of food, I know that. A cheeky little Greg's Stone at mid-lunch probably wasn't the best idea. But if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Bye for now.